all this stuff? Freddy? Freddy, are you in? I'm trapped. I bet you are real clever, Gregory. Yeah, I know your name. You're in big trouble. So, you're gonna wait right here in parts and service until your parents and the police arrive.
Are you having fun yet?
Holy crap. Who is that? Oh, I feel so weak. Dun, 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 dun.
It's time to get you out, Gregory.
No! Oh, Gregory, you can't get here for long. Okay, it looks like, okay. Look. Freddy! Freddy, are you okay? Oh, Gregory. Don't tell me. You can't die on me. Gregory, you gotta take me to parts and service. Okay, climb on my back. The elevator to parts and service. Thank you, Super. Watch out. That moon thing is gonna get me.
Bad children must be found.
I gotta get to a recharge station. Okay. It looks like what the?
Bye.
Gregory. Freddy! Oh no, now I lost him. Wait, what's this note? If you want Freddy back, get Chica's voice box. Chica's voice box? Alright, I guess I'm heading to the kitchen. The kitchen. Okay, I gotta tiptoe. Okay, hide. Okay. Gregory. Okay, so the only thing I have to do is Chica go in there. I gotta press this button. Beep, beep. I smell pizza. Oh no. Beep, beep. Okay, it looks like we're in the trash area. Alright, let's get Chica's voice box. Let me tip her over. Alright, let's get your voice box. Okay, got her voice box. Alright, let's get to Freddy. Parts and service. Okay, Freddy. You ready to get fixed? Yes, Gregory. I'm tired of this voice anyway. Alright, let's get you situated. A few minutes later. Okay. How's your new voice?
I sound like Chica. Thanks, Superstar. Now no one will know that I have Chica's voice. Thank you.
Yeah, well, Gregory, this party pass that you found in the note, it can only lead you to one place, Phaser Blast or Monty Golf. You gotta pick which one, Monty Golf or Phaser Blast. I'm definitely picking Monty Golf because I'm getting claws.
Okay, Gregory, let's hit. You can hop in my chest cavity and we'll go to Monty Golf.
Okay.
All right, let's go.